Big data skills are in high demand, especially Java language and experience with Hadoop distributions. The new profession is data scientist. The data scientist represents an evolution from the business or data analyst roles. The formal training is similar, with a solid foundation typically in computer science and applications, modeling, statistics, analytics, and math. What sets the data scientist apart is strong business acumen, coupled with the ability to communicate findings in both business and IT leaders in a way that can influence how an organization approaches a business challenge. Good data scientists will not just address business problems, they will pick the right problems that have the most value to organizations. The data scientist role has been described as part analyst, part artist. It has been said that a data scientist is someone who is inquisitive, who can stare at data and spot trends. It's almost like a Renaissance individual who really wants to learn and bring change to an organization. Data scientists are inquisitive, exploring, asking questions, doing what-if analysis, question existing assumptions and processes. Armed with data and analytical results, a top-tier data scientist will then communicate informed conclusions and recommendations to an organization's leadership structure. Big data has become a business issue, or at least an issue that business people are aware of. Look at the coverage it's getting in the business press. From the Wall Street Journal, companies are being inundated with data, to the Financial Times article, increasingly businesses are applying analytics to social media such as Facebook and Twitter. On to Forbes. Big data has arrived at Seton Healthcare family. Why is big data getting this type of coverage? Because it has the potential to profoundly affect the way we do business. The quote on CNBC really exemplifies this. Data is the new oil. Data is a natural resource that is growing bigger. Like any resource, it's difficult to extract. It comes in many types or a huge variety. It is also difficult to refine or analyze. Many organizations do not even tap into this natural resource. They ignore data or use it for just one purpose. This is largely because it's difficult to structure and restructure for different purposes. But some organizations have cracked the code and they have figured out how to process and analyze data available to them, and they are utilizing it to achieve breakthrough outcomes. If data is a natural resource, what is your company doing to capitalize on it? Here graphically you can see some of the sources of big data. All forms of data are represented, and all are processed by different types of analytics to yield insight to the business organization. Sensors are one of the biggest contributors of big data, enabling new applications across industries. Examples include telemetrics for auto insurance and vehicle monitoring and service, smart metering for energy and utility organizations, inventory management and asset tracking in the retail and manufacturing sectors, and fleet management in logistics and transportation organizations. Applications that rely on sensor-generated data have unique big data requirements to efficiently collect, store, and analyze the data to take advantage of its value. Weblog and database log data are major producers of machine-generated data. Let's look at some other examples of sensor and machine-generated data to expand our perspective. There are 4 engines on the Airbus A380, the double-deck largest commercial airplane in the world. Each A380 engine generates 1 petabyte of data on a flight, for example, from London to Singapore. The Large Hadron Collider, when operational last year, generated 1 gigabyte of data every second. A new radio telescope, called the Square Kilometre Array, is currently being built in the Southern Hemisphere. The SKA will produce 20,000 petabytes per day in the year 2020, compared with the current internet volume of 300 petabytes a day. This is predicted to grow by a factor of 10 when fully operational in 2028. The various data centers to process it will each handle 100 petabytes of data per day. You have now completed this video. In the next video, we'll look at big data as a platform and not just a collection of disjoint software packages. We will take a holistic approach to this big data platform.